Skunks? Anywhere? Anywhere you like?
Where do you suggest?
Where's the best?
Out here's the best place.
Yeah.
That's all we need to know.
All right. There's smoking around here. You can smoke? No smoking.
No. Just making sure. No,
just making sure. They're gonna say that.
No Skunk train.
There will be narration along the trip. However, if anyone has any questions at any time, please do feel free to ask. Also, you are welcome out to the open car at any point during this trip. And once again, welcome aboard.
Lights! All right. Oh, yeah. I'm getting ready to jump off.
Today is a wildlife area, playing host to a variety of fauna such as duck, swan, great blue heron, egret, turtles, deer, and of course, the skunk.
Yeah.
You'll notice many pilings protruding from the water. These once supported bridges and loading docks that were used by the train. In the past, tracks would have extended up just about every canyon and creek in the area, branching out to various different logs and small towns that spring up out in the middle of the woods. Our railroad began operation in 1885, with the first railroad equipment arriving in the area by ship in Fort Bragg. The main purpose of the railroad at that time was to bring the logs out of the woods and into the mill in Fort Bragg, where they would then be milled into lumber and be sent out by steamship down to the San Francisco area. Passenger service for the Skunk train began in 1904, but we did not reach Willits until 1911. Passengers trying to reach Willits prior to 1911 would get on the train in Fort Bragg and ride out to one of the many small towns along the line. They would then stay the night in a hotel, wake up the next morning, and ride a stagecoach the rest of the way to Willits. Once we reached Willits in 1911, passengers could ride to Willits in just a couple of hours, and freight would then go out by rail. From Willits, our passengers and freight could hitch a ride north and south with the Northwestern Pacific Railroad, which opened in 1907 and by 1914 ran 271 miles from Eureka through Willits and down to Shelbyville, extending our reach further out into the country by rail. The Skunk train was the last railroad to deliver mail 6 days a week up until September 15th, 2003, which makes us the last railroad to deliver mail in the United States under a federal contract. The Skunk train is also in the Smithsonian Service Bank.
You're gonna see the back of this. There's a
Construction project of new trees in place. Therefore, trees was out and around old stumps. Fully mature redwood trees do have small seed cones at the very top of the tree, but almost never use them. Instead, rely on reproduction almost solely through sprouting. Redwood trees also have a very shallow, carpet-like root system that helps with this process. Many other tall trees have a taproot that grows downward just about as far as the tree grows up.
Trails that are available. The first is like the intermediate trail with some small up and down hills will take about 30 minutes to complete. The other nice flat walk will take about 15 minutes to complete.
Time to drink beer. Yeah. Yeah. know. Wow.
Maybe you can stay here. You might even have to stay here longer.
Yeah, you can. We should do that. No, what are we gonna do, huh? We need more beer. So we should have got a backpack. It's okay. All are stoned. All are stoned.
Devoted endless love that like you have for that person. Your soul. That's what I think.
Maybe you can just be your authentic self.
In our deep forest, we want the very, very fucking best for you, no matter what that looks like.
I love Hawaii. I've only been to the Big Island, but I love
I
it.
know, we're gonna chase it.
Maui was
I love
fun.
it.
Maui's beautiful, behind is PAL, so like when you go, it's gonna be interesting to drive through there.
I'd
Because
like
I'll
to
fly
go.
over and see.
I'd like to go to Oahu.
Just Oahu's dope.
I think it would be fun to have a night out in Oahu.
Oahu is fun. There's hella good food. There's hella good places.
I think I want to try to. I mean, I can't like.
And North Shore. You just want to see pipeline, don't you? I mean, that was.
I want-
neat.
no, I
I
want-
wanted to see North Shore. I would never ever stay in
Fort Bragg and Willits, we thank you very much for riding with us. Have a safe trip home, Skunk Train.